Hello, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video is how to use live wallpapers on Android. It's pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So first thing you do is go to your settings. Then you're gonna search wallpaper. And here you can see various types of wallpaper. You can see wallpaper here. At the top, you can see categories, the one that you selected, and here you will go to the live. You're just gonna choose one here. And let's try this one. So you just need to download the wallpaper that you chose and then just choose it and apply it. So here it goes. So that's how you use live wallpapers on Android. I hope that this video helps, and if you have any questions or comments, kindly put it in the comment section below, and if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks!